Hey everyone, I thought I would try something a little different today. I keep looking down. I don't know where to look. Coming at you from my computer, and the reason is that recently I was gifted this lovely $25 Amazon gift card. And I don't shop on Amazon all that much. It's not really my thing, but I was thinking, what can I do with $25 on Amazon? And I thought maybe I could buy some plants. Maybe there's some cool varieties out there that I don't have. So today we're going to go shopping on Amazon and see what they have to offer in the houseplant department. So let's go shopping.
All right, so I've compiled a list of some different varieties that I might be interested in, but let's just start with a generic search for house plants. House plants indoor live. Yes, I'd like live ones. What do we have? Some air plants. Ficus, Larata, Stromanth tricolor for $20. Well, that's pretty much my entire gift card. No thanks. 20 pieces rare color aloe. Okay. Kabloom live plant collection. Set of 4 live plants. 3-inch terracotta clay. Coffee plant, fern, I don't know. Oh, this is fun. Rex begonia variety pack. That could be fun. And then you wouldn't know what kind you were getting. You know, begonias, I just don't know that they like me, but I'm going to keep that in mind. I like that. That's fun. Air plants. 10 large. Is that Ionantha tillandsia air plants? Okay. Succulents. Ooh, button fern. That's kind of cool. $10 free shipping. What does this look like? Interesting. No care instructions. I like the looks of that. That's fun. Let's go on my list. You know what I'm really interested in? Adding more Hoya. So let's see what we get for Hoya house plants. Wow! $17.99 for that one little leaf. Plus $8 shipping. Holy mokes. Okay, I'm interested in this tricolor carnosa. $13.99. That's not too bad. See all buying. Okay, something is a little sketchy with the info, but I have to dig a little deeper on that one because that is definitely something I would be interested in. Is that all we've got for Hoya? That's it? Really? That's it. No. What's this? Hoya carnosa rubra variegata for $20. Very pretty. I don't know if it's actually available, but I like that. I like that very much. It's a little pricey. Ooh, you know what I should look for? Let's look for peperomia. Uh-huh. Now these are fun and little. Peperomia scandens. I like that. I do like that. They have a nice selection of peperomia, probably because they're just small. Red trailing peperomia rubella. That's fun. We've looked for a little bit. You know what I think I'm gonna do is make my decision and then surprise you all with a fun unboxing. Oh my gosh, this is such a rabbit hole. Okay, stay tuned and we will see what I end up getting. So I placed my order on a Thursday night, and according to tracking, everything's supposed to be delivered today, Monday. And actually, I got one little surprise package on Saturday when I was out of town. So this sat in my mailbox all weekend long. Luckily, it was a warm weekend, and unfortunately, I've already got a damage sticker, so apparently it had a rough transit. So let's get this opened up and see if it looks anything like what was promised. I'll be interested to see how it turned out. I know what's in here. It's an interesting plant, and I'm going to show you what it looks like right now. Okay, so like I said, my main goal was to get 3 plants with my gift card that I don't already have, that would be somewhat challenging to my skills, which, you know, I would say are probably limited, but still it's fun to try new things. So this first little plant, I saw it and I thought it could be interesting. I certainly don't have it. And honestly, it was hard. It was really hard to find plants that would match my budget. And, you know, I don't like to pay for shipping, so it had to be free shipping. And so I wanted to make sure that I had a good variety. So this first one is called Pachypodium Lamerei, I think. I'll put the correct spelling in the notes here. But this is also known as the Madagascar palm. Obviously it's just a little thing because, I don't know, I think everything was around the $9 range with free shipping. Let's see. Oh, look at that. And it has leaves. Now, I anticipate it's gonna drop all of these leaves because of, oh, sorry, I realized I'm out of frame. I would anticipate that it's gonna drop all of these leaves. See if I can get the camera to focus here. Because of the stress of travel. But all in all, I would say it's packaged really nice. It looks to be in pretty good shape. Now I'm gonna put this in some cactus mix, and I'm gonna treat it like a succulent, which is one of the things that kind of attracted me to it because I have pretty good luck with succulents here. And so I'm gonna use a cactus mix You only water these when the soil is dry. Oh, look, it's bare root. Look at that. Isn't that cute? That's really cute. I like that. This is gonna be fun to watch grow. I look forward to seeing how this one shapes up. I'll get it potted up and put it in light so you can see what it kind of looks like. That's super cute. All right, on to the next one. All right, so right on schedule, the other 2 plants have arrived. And actually I went down to the mailbox just to double check, and I happened to catch my mailman delivering right then, so they didn't have to sit out in the cold, which is nice. So let's see what this next one is. Afraid to just pull it off. Wow, this is packaged very nice and tight and lovely. Okay. So this is a Syngonium. Syngonium strawberry. Looks really good. Look at that. It's like a 4-incher. Yeah, so it's got some pink notes. So this is supposed to be able to pretty much withstand low light. They're pretty easy to grow, apparently. They have medium water requirements, low light levels to bright light. You know, they kind of remind me a little bit of like an alocasia. They're different, but kind of have that same stocky type leaf. They're also known as the arrowhead plant. And I just wanted something that had some more pink in it. So I felt like this would be a good addition. How lovely. Isn't that lovely? Okay, so that just leaves this last one, and I know what it is. The surprise, but you don't know what it is. So let's see what my third one was. Now, all of these were about $10 with free shipping. And I have to say, so far I'm pleasantly surprised. I had really low expectations as to what might be arriving. But so far so good. So my one complaint would be it's not very eco-friendly. None of these were fulfilled by Amazon, so they all shipped in separate boxes. I will definitely be reusing these packing peanuts and recycling everything that I can. Okay, looks like another 4-inch pot in a little bag. Okay. So this is a button fern, not to be confused with a lemon button fern. This actually isn't even a fern at all, which is why I was like really interested in it, because because I've read some different posts and different information about it, that it doesn't have the same humidity requirements as some other picky ferns might have. And these little stems will turn bright red as it ages. Let's see if we can't get a little closer. It has these, it's a little messed up from shipping, but you can kind of see, look at the little stem here and how the leaves kind of come out every other. It's very, very cute. Now, a lot of people will grow these outdoors in their gardens as like ground cover. I'm gonna try and grow it inside and see what becomes of it. So here we'll get really close up. You can kind of see, look at back here, this little stem here. See how the little leaves come out, alternating little leaves. So as it matures, the stems will become red, and so you'll have a really nice contrast of the red and green. So hopefully it'll perk up a little bit once we get some water in it, gets some sun, gets a little fresh air. Hopefully then we will be looking good. Thanks again for stopping by my channel, Suburban Sil, and checking out my videos. For more plant information, check out my website, suburbansil.com. Follow me on Instagram at suburbansil. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more plant updates and plant projects. I've got some fun stuff in the works. So thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.